What's your favorite color?
Pink.
Pink.
Pink. Pink. Pink.
Welcome to our Coralline algae project.
So, first of all, what is Coralline algae and why should I care about it?
Well, have you ever noticed those pink spots on the rocks while snorkeling?
Yes, I have.
Those are coralline red calcifying algae. And this means that they have a calcareous structure to support them. And it's exactly these characteristics that makes them so particular, because they create 3D substrates to host many other marine organisms. Unfortunately, they're very sensitive to climate change, particularly ocean warming and ocean acidification. Now, the problem is that when the algae is stressed, it loses its pink color and turns white. This is what we call bleaching. And now we wanted to investigate which are the factors that are causing it.
To answer this question, we decided to go to our favorite playground, Sainte Marguerite Island at Côte d'Azur. Once there, we divided into two groups, each researching one side of the island, more sheltered and more exposed.
We spent a long day collecting data on the temperature, the light, the habitat type, and taking pictures of the coralline algae. After this, it was time to go home and start analyzing all of this data, and it gave us many results.
First, we had to organize all of our data and analyze all our pictures by manually selecting the bleach part on the Fiji software. Then we had to deal with a lot of numbers to run statistical tests, and this is significant in science to see if there are meaningful relationships between different factors.
That is how we found out that the algae is more bleached on the exposed side of the island than on the sheltered one.
That's really interesting, but why?
Well, our results show that the exposure to light, to waves, and as well as higher temperature led to more bleaching. So just like you need sunlight to be healthy, too much sun without protection can cause sunburn and disease. The algae react basically the same. So if it is protected, for example, by bush like algae, it stays pink and healthy. But if it gets too warm and bright, it will turn white. It's important to keep the algae healthy and protect it from these stressors, because once it is bleached, it is hard to recover.
So, from what I learned today is that you observed that more direct light, higher temperatures, and the absence of other shading algae will cause more bleaching. Yeah, right. But remember that we only considered a few factors. Next time it would be interesting to collect data on even more factors like pH, salinity, and wave energy to see if we still get the same results. And that would make our conclusions even more meaningful. With that, we conclude our scientific adventure. But stay tuned, this is actually just the beginning.
Now,
What's your favorite color?